Today we're sharing a simple and effective skincare routine. Achieving glass skin characterized by a smooth, clear, and luminous complexion involves a consistent skincare routine. Every skincare routine has 5 to 6 steps, and most of the people give us lists of skincare products to deal with skin issues. But high-end skincare products can be extremely expensive. Expensive products often contain synthetic ingredients and preservatives. Many products contain harmful chemicals that can cause long-term damage. Skincare doesn't need to be complicated. Simple skincare can be more effective. People in Asian countries do these remedies for glass skin. Now, let's get started with some amazing DIY recipes. By using ingredients that are already at your home, we need egg white. And to enhance the benefits of egg white for the skin, you can mix it with coffee. Make a smooth face pack and apply on your skin for 20 minutes. Benefits. Combining egg white and coffee provides a dual-action treatment for the skin, offering tightening and toning benefits from the egg white alongside exfoliation and antioxidant protection from the coffee, resulting in a rejuvenated and refreshed complexion with reduced puffiness and improved texture. Double cleansing. Use natural oils like olive oil or almond oil to remove makeup, sunscreen, excess sebum, and other oil-based impurities from the skin. Yogurt and turmeric cleanser. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, a ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix yogurt and turmeric to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face and gently massage. Leave it on for 5 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Benefits. Yogurt contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates and hydrates the skin. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that help brighten the complexion. Exfoliation. Sugar scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 tablespoon of honey. Gently scrub your face in circular motions and rinse with warm water. Oatmeal scrub. Blend oats into a fine powder and mix with a bit of water to form a paste. Gently scrub your face to remove dead skin cells. Using an oatmeal scrub helps to gently exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother and softer. Additionally, oatmeal has anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties, which soothe and hydrate the skin, making it ideal for sensitive or irritated skin. Benefits. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and improves skin texture, resulting in a smoother and more radiant complexion. It also enhances the absorption of skincare products and can help even skin tone while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Toning. Green tea toner. Brew green tea, let it cool, and use it as a toner. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and helps soothe the skin. Benefits. Using a green tea toner provides your skin with powerful antioxidants that help fight free radicals and reduce signs of aging. Additionally, green teas soothe and calm the skin, reducing redness and irritation. Rose water. Use rose water as a toner to hydrate and balance the skin. Hydration. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your face. It's hydrating and soothing. Benefits. Applying fresh aloe vera gel to your face deeply hydrates the skin, promoting a supple and soft texture. It also soothes irritation and inflammation, making it ideal for calming sunburns, acne, and sensitive skin. Cucumber mask. Blend cucumber and apply the juice to your face for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Benefits. Using a cucumber mask hydrates and refreshes the skin, reducing puffiness and dark circles. Its cooling properties also soothe irritation and help calm acne-prone skin. Moisturizing. Honey and milk. Mix equal parts honey and milk. Apply to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. This will moisturize and brighten your skin. Benefits. Using a honey and milk moisturizer provides deep hydration to the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and supple. Honey acts as a natural humectant, attracting moisture to the skin, while milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and promotes skin renewal. Together, they nourish and moisturize the skin, making it appear radiant and healthy. Yogurt and honey mask. Combine 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply to your face for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. Serums and oils. Facial oils use light oils like jojoba oil, rosehip oil, or argan oil for added hydration and glow. Benefits. Its lightweight texture allows it to penetrate deeply into the skin without clogging pores, leaving it soft and supple. Additionally, jojoba oil contains antioxidants and vitamins E and B complex, which nourish and protect the skin, resulting in a healthy, radiant glow. Sheet masks. DIY sheet masks soak cotton pads or a thin cotton cloth in a mixture of cucumber juice and green tea. Apply to your face for 20 minutes. It soothes irritation, reduces puffiness, and infuses the skin with hydration and antioxidants, resulting in a refreshed and rejuvenated complexion with improved tone and texture. Healthy lifestyle. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Foods high in antioxidants and vitamins are especially beneficial for skin health. Sleep. Ensure you get adequate sleep to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. A regular facial massage. Massage techniques. Use your fingers to gently massage your face, promoting circulation and lymphatic drainage. Tips for best results. Consistency. Stick to your routine and give your skin time to show results. Patch test. Always do a patch test when trying new ingredients to avoid allergic reactions. Gentle handling. Be gentle with your skin to prevent irritation and damage. By incorporating these homemade remedies into your daily routine, you can work towards achieving the smooth, clear, and radiant glass skin look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare tips and DIY recipes. Leave a comment below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.